What's it like being the only full-time employee at Henderson Hardscapes?
It's alright.
I'll come up here.
It's alright.
So this customer had an old stepping stone pathway to their front door. They wanted to update it with the same kind of concept, another stepping stone pathway, but done the right way. So the job here was to remove all the old stepping stones, and then we had to come in and excavate this area so that we can extend the flower bed and also excavate a pathway for our stepping stones. Inside that pathway, we're going to backfill with 3/4 inch stone and compact, and then we're going to lay out some fabric and lay 3/4 inch stone on top of that fabric. And once we get our 3/4 stone to the height that we need it to be, we're going to compact it, and then we'll be ready to lay down some mortar and put some stepping stones down in their place. But that's what this video is going to be about. If you haven't seen the videos previous to this one and you want to know more about the base prep that we used, make sure you check out the link in the description below. You'll be able to see how we excavated and prepared the base in more detail. But that's not what this video is about. We're going to show you how we installed the stepping stones and have a little fun along the way. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Stick around and let me know what you guys think in the comments below. First test run for Benny. It's a good pace, huh? What if you came out from your front door and you go to the driveway? What would it look like? You feel like you're rushed, or should we close the gaps up?
I mean, I feel like that's just my natural pace right there.
Huh. What do I look like when I walk
slow.
down it? You gotta swing the arms, dude, if you're gonna be a stepping stone model. I don't know, that didn't feel too like rushed.
No, not at all.
You know, I'm not taking,
comfortable.
I'm not taking big steps at all. If I want to slow the pace down, dude, I'm just going like this. Now I gotta go to my mailbox.
Get
right?
the mail.
So I'm gonna go the other way.
Yep.
Gotta go up the hill. I mean, dude, there's no other way to test it than that, right?
No.
No.
It's a walkway.
Yeah. Everyone
To
walks.
walk on it.
Everyone walks like that. Yeah, I like the spacing. And in between all the stones and everything's gonna be mulch. That 3/4 is gonna be about 3 inches or so below the top of grade. So we're just gonna cover that in mulch. Cool. We're good so far. Jafar. What do you think, bud? Moving along?
Progress.
I love it. We gotta do a quarter pitch. You say you need a quota pitch? I need you to pitch me a quota. Sometimes things work out in your funniness. Sometimes they don't. Don't give up. Update time. We've got a bunch of stones set in. Got 1, 2 left to do, and then this entire row is all set. I'd say the one that has the most mortar under it probably has about 2 to 2.5. Most of them have about 1.5 inches of mortar underneath, inch. And that's just going to help adhere it to the mortar so it makes the stepping stone pretty much thicker. And then that mortar interlocks into all those 3/4, the open spaces in the 3/4, and it just locks that thing into place. Locks it, Benny.
Locks it in.
I'm not counting, but I think I've done a few more than Benny.
A couple.
Just playing, bud. I'm just playing. Looks really good. Some may say that that mortar is a little overkill, but that's going to make this project last at least twice as long without any issues. Hey, bud. Can you answer a question for me? What's it like being well, you're not the only employee. Travis works here, but what's it like being the only full-time employee at Henderson Hardscapes?
It's
I'll
alright.
come up here. It's
It's alright.
Some people may think, you know, you're mistreated.
Oh yeah?
I don't know. Are you?
No. I don't think so.
You're not mistreated?
I don't feel mistreated.
I don't mistreat him.
Do you feel like you mistreat me?
I don't ever feel that way. Actually, I think you're treated too good.
Yeah, you need to tone it down.
I think I treat you too good. You
Yeah,
don't get it.
gotta
You don't
tone
have any appreciation. You don't care about me.
Yep. Gotta tone it down, dude.
Yeah, man. So that's what I'm here telling you right now is that I think I'm gonna stop caring about you a little bit.
Okay, that's good.
It's
Can't care about me too much.
it's interfering in my
Yeah.
in my personal
Yeah.
life.
You're not in my book, but some reason you're always there.
You're always in the book.
Always in the book.
Hey man, I'll tell you what, dude. I'm just playing with you, dude. You got a unique perspective.
Hey, that's what it's all about.
You see me more than my wife.
My wife too.
Yep. Babby, the carrier of all things. How you doing?
I'm doing good. Smells like mulch.
Certainly does.
Babe, you smell that?
I do.
Mulch.
Mulch. What's that smell? It's mulch.
Smells good.
Babby, say hi to YouTube.
Hey.
My wife and new shorts editor. You having fun?
I am.
Having fun editing videos, babe?
I am.
It's
Got
good.
another one done today.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You like those steps?
I do. They're coming out awesome.
Yeah.
You got a lot done since yesterday.
Yeah.
Looks good. Where's all the puppies?
I don't know. They're quiet.
They're very quiet. Looks good, Daddy.
Like it?
I like it.
That's good. Glad you like it.
I do.
Say goodbye.
Bye.
Well, that's it for this video, guys. Short and sweet on this one. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of the stepping stones. You can definitely lay those just on stone. You don't need to put them in mortar. But again, I built this project to last many years for this customer, and it certainly will. So hit that like and subscribe if you have not already, and I'll catch you on the next one. As always, God bless. Peace.